Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new, and today I wanted to share with you some of the new things that I picked up for decorating my house for Christmas this year. So if you are new and you don't know, we just moved into this house this year, and so this is our first time decorating for Christmas. And I did have some things, but this house is a lot bigger than any place that we have ever previously lived. And so I definitely needed to pick up some more things to fill certain spaces within our home. I'm really excited to decorate for Christmas this year. This house it just calls for Christmas decor. I am actually gonna be decorating probably tomorrow. So I'm so excited to show you guys the decorate with me video and then just the final product of how this house turns out. I have been trying to get in the Christmas spirit, so I have some hot cocoa and a candy cane stuck inside, and then I also have my Christmas essential oils going in the diffuser, and we already have set up our Christmas tree, so I'm definitely starting to feel in the Christmas spirit, and it's so much fun. So first I'm going to show you the things that I got from Home Goods. We actually don't have a Home Goods anywhere near us, but I was in Charleston a couple weeks ago and I hit up a Home Goods there and grabbed a few things. If we had a Home Goods here, I would probably decorate my house completely from stuff from Home Goods because I love all of the options that they have. But the first thing that I got was a table runner, and this is to go on our new dining room table. I love how our dining room is turning out. It's not done yet. We still have a few more things we need to add, like a light fixture, but our dining room table is a natural wood color, and so I thought that this white, it's kind of like a cream table runner, would look really pretty on the natural wood table. And then we have black dining chairs, so it just needed something a little bit lighter, and I also like the neutralness of it. There's also some silver sequins and some snowflake details on this, so it is very much holiday, but not in your face like red and green Christmas colors. So then the next thing that I picked up were some dish towels, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not this year, but I'm definitely going to keep them because I know that over the years I will find use for them. But these are just some red and white, and then this one on the front has a little truck, which I think is cute, and it says Season's Greetings. It's kind of like a classic look. And then I also got this little canister or like a cookie jar or something like that, and I loved the kind of vintage feel of it, and I thought that this would look really cute in our kitchen. Or we actually have this new kind of coffee station set up in our kitchen, and I kind of want to decorate that as like a coffee bar or maybe even like a hot cocoa bar. And so I thought that this would be perfect either on top with the coffee maker, or there's a shelf underneath that I could put it to. I haven't decided exactly where I want to put this yet, but I did love just like the vintage feel of it. And then I also got a mug to go probably like in the Keurig, just to sit there and be a little bit more decorative. This is a Ray Dunn, and it says Santa's Helper. And I loved the red color and just the simplicity of it. I do like to get a different mug for the changing season holiday to put in the Keurig. So I got one for fall, and then I like to get a different one every year for Christmas as well. And then the last thing that I picked up from Home Goods, I think this is the last thing, was these 2-pack of pillows. Again, I don't know if I love them. These might go in our breakfast nook area, actually, now that I think of it. I don't know. We'll have to decide if once I put them out, if I like them or not. But there's one that says Joy, and it's just a cream pillow with a red back, says Joy. And then this one in the back has a cute little pattern on it. I do think they're really cute. I just have to decide if I have a space for them and if I want to keep them or not. Next, I'm going to show you everything that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I have a feeling that I'm going to go back to Hobby Lobby maybe to get some garland or I don't know. They have really cute trees, all kinds of different colors and shapes, not necessarily like trees with wispy greenery coming off of them, but like wooden trees and things like that. And I really like all of them. I think they're really cute. So as I'm decorating, I might say, you know what, this needs a gold tree or something like that. So I'm probably gonna go back to Hobby Lobby, but I did end up getting this one white wooden tree, and it is kind of hard to see the details. Let me zoom in for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It is wooden. It has some like snow texture on it with some sparkles a little bit. It's pretty tall, and my vision for this tree is to put it on, or it was, to put it on my mantle on either side of my TV. However, the wall behind it is also white, so it kind of doesn't show up super well, and I don't know if that's gonna bother me or not. I kind of did want to go just like really neutral white and green around the mantle, but I don't think I have the right mantle for it. I wanted it to be like, you know, the natural wood mantle with then some white stockings and like just a really simple garland laid over the mantle. In my next house, like the house of my dreams, I'll do that. But for this house, it is a little bit, it just doesn't really lend itself to that whole neutral look. It needs a little bit of color. So I don't know that I'm gonna keep the trees for the mantle, but I'm sure that there are other places around my house, maybe my entryway table, that this tree would look really cute. And I actually got 2 of them, so I'll just have to play around with it. The great thing about shopping at Hobby Lobby too is everything is usually like 40% off for Christmas stuff. Or fall, depending on whatever season you're in. Their holiday decor is usually 40% off, which makes it a pretty good deal for everything usually. So that's a great place to get holiday decor if you have a Hobby Lobby. All right, so this little sign says hot chocolate bar, and my vision is to put this on the drink station, coffee station, in our kitchen, and make it really cute, kind of like a hot chocolate bar. We'll see. But I thought that this sign was really, really cute. Very simple. This little hot chocolate bar sign was $7.99 originally, and then with the 40% discount, I'm not gonna do the math on that, but that makes it a really inexpensive sign. And then I also got another sign, and this is gonna go on my entryway table, and it says Merry Christmas on one side, or you can flip it over and it says ho 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 with some little snowmen. But I love the look of this, and I have the perfect spot in mind on my entryway table. And this was $14.99, but then with the 40% off, it's either 40 or 50% off. I don't remember exactly, but that makes it a pretty good deal after the discount. This tree is originally $39.99. I believe things are 50% off. It's kind of ringing a bell. So if it's $39.99, it would be $20 each for these little trees. And then Hobby Lobby has a bunch of really cute pillows, and I picked this one up. Andrew was really drawn to it too. And their holiday pillows are usually pretty inexpensive. This was regular $29.99, so 50% off would be $15. This is gonna go really cute on our couch. We have a kind of a darker gray couch, and then I'm envisioning some like red pillows and white pillows, and this white is gonna pop really well against like a red pillow and the gray couch. I got a couple more things from Hobby Lobby. These garlands. It's not gonna be easy to show you all of it on the camera, but these garlands are going to go on our staircase. We wanted to do it pretty inexpensively, since you do have to buy quite a few strings of garland for a staircase. So these are maybe not like up close the most high quality looking. There were definitely some gorgeous ones at Hobby Lobby that were significantly more expensive, but I think for now this is gonna give us the look that we want, and I even might put some ribbon in. I've just seen some really cute ideas out there, so you'll have to stay tuned and watch the Decorate With Me video to see what I end up doing with the staircase. But this is gonna be the base of it. We got, I believe, 5 of these, and 4 of them were not pre-lit, but we have some like strings of lights from when we used to get real Christmas trees. But these garlands were only $29.99, and then with 50% off, that makes them $15 each. So that was a pretty good deal, I thought, on the garland. This one's a little bit messy to show you, so I'm gonna like quickly show you and then put it away so I don't make a mess in my bedroom. But this is a nativity scene barn. Nativity, I guess is just what you call it. And we are Christians, and we love to have a nativity in our house. We actually have never really had a formal one that we like made our family nativity, but growing up I always had one. Andrew said that growing up he always had one too, and we both have really fond memories of setting up the nativity, sprinkling some like straw at the bottom, setting up the people and the manger and things like that. And I definitely want to have that tradition carry on with our kids as well. So we finally bought a nativity. They had a couple different ones to choose from, but we really liked this one. And I'm gonna put this on our entryway table, front and center. That way the kids can see it, the kids can play with it, help set it up. So we got the little barn, and this was only $19.99, which made it $10 after the 50% discount. So that was really inexpensive for the little house or barn. And then we also got people to go in it. I'll show you a little bit closer up what they look like. That's just what they look like. The kids are gonna love them. These were $39.99 originally, so 50% off is $20 for the people. So total, the nativity came out to just $30, which I think is a great deal. All right, so that is everything from Hobby Lobby, and the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is some of the things that we got from Target. Target probably has my favorite decor this year. We didn't wanna go crazy and spend a ton of money, and Target's decor is pretty pricey in my opinion, but they do have beautiful stuff out. But I did pick up a few things from there. The first is this Letters to Santa pillow, and I got this specifically to put at the bottom of our entryway table. It needs a pillow there anyways, and this definitely goes with the look and the vibe that I want for that whole entryway area. So also this is gonna go in there too, and I just love the whole vibe of this. So, and I have a feeling that we're gonna find some things hidden in the pockets from the kids as the holidays approach. We also picked up some stockings. We have never made a decision on stockings that we want and love for our family, but I would love to have like a matching set that are officially our stockings, so that the kids as they grow up will always like be excited to find their stocking in the box of decorations, pull out their stocking, hang it up themselves. I remember doing that as a kid, and so I want the kids to have their own stocking that they own and are excited to pull out. So I picked up these two colors of stockings. There's even a third one, there's a solid red one, but these were our favorites. I actually picked up a couple extra ones because we're not sure if we want to do all white stockings. That was my original plan. And then I kind of hung them up just to like get an idea. And I was like, I don't know if I'm feeling all white. So we also grabbed a couple of the striped ones just in case I decided to go a different direction. But I was afraid they were going to run out of these stockings because they were actually going pretty fast. I think they're pretty popular this year. But they're really cute. They have a really classic look to them. This is the white one. This will be either mine or Andrew's. And then this is another A, but we got an E and an O. I wish that we already have a name picked out for baby number 3. If you don't know, I am actually 33 weeks pregnant at the time that I'm filming this video. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but I'm 33 weeks pregnant. We still haven't picked a name, but if we had picked out a name, then I would have definitely picked up a stocking for the baby too, but we have no idea what we're naming this baby yet. But my vision for these stockings is to go probably this way. We'll probably go red and white stripe, and then a white stocking, and then another red and white stocking, and then a white stocking is probably how it's gonna end up going. And then the last thing that I got is a little red and white striped dish towel. I got this after I had picked up those other dish towels, and I really like the look of this one better. So we'll see once I have everything out which towel I decide to go with. This is a little bit less bold and in your face than the other ones, but this is a Project 62 dish towel. It was like $3.99, you only get one, but I do really like the look of it. Oh, and I forgot to mention prices for Target. So the stockings were $15 each. And then this pillow is $20. We also picked up a new Christmas tree this year. I used to be all about real trees. That's what I grew up with, and it was my favorite thing ever. My parents were always threatening, not threatening, but saying that they wanted to get a fake tree, and we never would let them. But now as a parent and an adult, who has to clean up after a real tree, I see why they wanted to go with a fake tree, because real trees are a huge hassle. You can't set them up early because they die super quickly. So we started, when Andrew and I first got married, we started by getting real trees, and last year we got our first fake Christmas tree. We got a flocked one, which I personally love, but it's not Andrew's favorite. And then this year we have a much bigger space that we needed to fill with our Christmas tree. So we upgraded to a 9-foot Christmas tree. I got it from Sam's Club. I will have it linked for you guys. And it was such a great deal. This one is not flocked, but it has just a really natural look to it. And I love it. I love it. So I think we're actually gonna put our flocked tree down in the basement so that we'll have 2 trees up. You can never have too many Christmas trees, especially if you have the space to fill with trees. So anyways, that is everything that we got this year to decorate our house for Christmas with. I will have everything that I can linked in the description box below for you guys. Obviously the things that I got from HomeGoods I won't be able to link for you, but you get the idea. Maybe check out your TJ Maxx or your HomeGoods for some similar things. But I'm really excited to decorate my house for Christmas. We're gonna do it tomorrow. I'm definitely filming it. And so you guys can look forward to seeing my Christmas clean and decorate with me going up pretty soon on the channel. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that and turn your notifications on too. We have a lot of fun videos coming up, lots of baby related videos coming up since I am due January 7th. That's so soon from now. You can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I show you a lot of behind the scenes things there. You get some sneak peeks, and then I'm definitely gonna be announcing when I go into labor on Instagram first, so make sure you're following. I also have a wellness Instagram account at simplyessentials_Allie. And there I share all kinds of wellness related things, non-toxic living, and tons of DIYs. So that's it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.